32 Count to All, The Way I Am by Amy Glass. One restart after 8 counts at the end of wall 4. Option. Here comes the restart. Restart. That's enough. The only thing I don't like about this dance is the song's too short, because I just love the dance and love the song. Okay, here's a breakdown. You're going to start out with the rumba box, weights on your left, starting with your right foot. Side together, forward hold. Side together, back hold. With counts. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. 5, 6, 7, hold 8. A reverse K step, starting with your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step back, right hold. Left coaster step hold. A right step, lock, step hold. A half turn chase to the right hold. That's a step, turn, step. Step right, left. 7, 8. That's the dance. I'll show it to you at this wall. Side together, forward hold. Side together, back hold. Reverse K. Step back hold. Coaster step hold. Step lock step hold. Half turn step hold. Right, left. And there's an option to do a full turn to the left on the last 2 counts. Now I'm going to do it with counts. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Reverse K. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, 8. That's the dance. Hope you enjoy it. Bye.